Oh, what are y'all doing here?
You told us we were filming at 9.
Oh, oh, well. Hey, it's Breakfast Edition with the Dirt Man, and we are doing dirty sausage patties today with all these different kind of dirts. You can actually use Todd's dirt for your breakfast, whether it's eggs, sausage, so many different things. You can actually use my Todd's Dirt Seasonings on. So we are actually doing dirty patties with the Bob Evans here. We're not sponsored by Bob Evans, just let you know, because we're honest with you. But we're gonna do that, so let's get started. All right, this is a real simple recipe. We're gonna put the sausage right on. Oh yeah, listen to that. Very easy, just put the sausage right here in the pan. I just washed my hands, and now we're just gonna put the Todd's dirt right on top. Now, I only do it on one side. You can do it on both sides, if need be. Salty Sailor, which works lovely. The Dirt Man's personal favorite is the Bayou on sausage. It is amazing. And then what we're going to do is we're going to press it right in. Just going to stick it right onto the meat. And after a couple minutes, we'll flip it, and then we're going to try it. Be right back. All right, they're ready to be flipped over. God, I wish you could be here right now. Especially right when I flip this over, you can really smell it. So the only reason why I like to put it on one side is I just want a hint. I want it to enhance the flavors of the sausage. If you put it on both sides, it's definitely going to take over the entire sausage flavor, which is okay because I certainly don't mind it. The dirtier the better for me. But I think you'll probably like it better this way. Another minute or so, and then we'll be ready to try it. All right, now we're gonna try this sausage. It's amazing. So we got the original, we got the Chesapeake, the Salty Sailor, and the Bayou. My personal favorite is the Bayou. I will tell you my second favorite is actually the Chesapeake dirt, which I'm actually gonna try. It just has that subtle flavor of the Chesapeake dirt, that Maryland style. Being a Marylander that I am. Oh wow. These sausages are really easy, simple. Probably something you never even thought about is actually doing dirty sausage. Give it a try. You're gonna love it. Try it with some eggs on the side, scrambled, or however way you want to do it, and enjoy it. So remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.